How to book a hotel with Delta Airlines. Hey guys, welcome. So today you'll be learning how to book a hotel with Delta Airlines. So you have to watch this. You need to watch this so that you will not miss out on the information about how to book a hotel with Delta Airlines. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to log on to your Delta Airline account using your PC, and once you've logged in, you see at the top right left corner of your screen you see the Delta icon or the Delta logo. Then just after it is the book icon. You see the check-in icon, also you see the my trip icon, you see the flight status icon, you see the travel info icon, you also see the Sky Miles icon, the need help icon. At the top right corner you see the book sign up icon, the login icon, the notification icon, and the search icon. You can also go down, scroll down the page to have an overview of what Delta Airline is all about. It's all about flights. You can take your vacation flights using Delta Airlines. They deal with online traveling by air and by airplane, and also you can check it out to see if this suits your desire, and you can try it out. Okay, so now back to the business, how to book a hotel with Delta Miles. What you need to do is to go back to the upper part of your screen where we have the travel info and we have the Sky Miles. You click on it, you drag your cursor to the travel info, and the drop down will be displayed on your screen. You have a lot of things here. Then make sure you check it till you see shop hotels. Check it properly till you see shop hotels. Once you see shop hotels, you click on it just like I've done here. You click on it, then you wait for the page to load. So once the page has loaded, here you see that you can earn or redeem miles with Delta State and Delta Stays. Also, if you want stays, no problem. This is the destined for stays. Or if you want vacation rentals, if you want to go on a vacation and all, you can click on any of this option. So let's stick with stays for this video, but if you want vacation rentals, simply click on vacation rentals, which is the second option. So now it says you have to click, so you have to search out where you want to go to, where you want to stay, yeah. So once you click on, once you search it out, make sure you're typing in the correct answer to that question. Once you're done with that, you go to the next option, which says check-in. So you've already checked in, you've already inputted your date automatically and your checkout date. So it means you are going to check in into the hotel on this particular date that is showing here, and you're going to check out. So the date will be automatically filled in these two boxes. So once you're done with that, at the lower part of the screen you see the search icon. Click on search to see if it will be available. So once you've clicked on search, you see here that it has been available. So you see a lot of hotels available on that particular date. Yeah, you see. So just scroll down so you see the one that suits you and that meets your budget. Once you've seen the one that meets your budget, you click on any of them and you make your payment, or you make further booking for yourself. So you can click on any of let us click on any of these ones. So make sure you go through the list of hotels thoroughly so that you will not make the wrong choice. So here we've clicked on it, and to show you further pictures and other things you need to know about the hotel that you booked, to show you the hotel that you booked. So you keep scrolling down for you to see the type of rooms that are available, the rooms that are available in the hotel with their prices attached to them. So you check them out, you check the pictures, you check the prices, you check the condition of the room, and so on. And once they meet your desire and your budget, you click on any of the rooms. So let's go back. You click on any of the room. Okay, yeah, you click on reserve. So if you want to reserve any of the rooms, at the lower part of each room you see the icon reserve, just like you can see here. So you click on reserve if that is a particular room that you want, and once you've clicked on reserve, you wait for the page to load, just like I'm waiting here. So a further page has been loaded. So there you would have to do, you'll be asked for your name here. So it says who is booking in. So you have to add you have to include your name, your last name. Once you've included that, you have to also include your mobile number, and you keep scrolling down the page so that you'll be able to reserve your room. So once you're done with that, if you have Delta Sky Miles, you can input it, although it's optional. Then you move to the payment method. So if you want to pay so as to reserve the room, you just click on you see that there are a lot of payment method here. We have the MasterCard, we have the Viva, we have so on, we have VAV here. So now you just type out the name on card. That's, you type out your name, you type up your name in full. Then once you're done with that, you move to the next box which says debit credit card number. So you're on your credit card, you see numbers on it, you have to type it out here. So once you're done typing it out, please be careful when you're typing it out so you don't type out the wrong number. So after that, you move to the next box which says expiration date. So on your card, on your debit card, there should be an expiration date on that credit card. So you're going to include it here. You include the month and the year. Once you're done with that, you include the security code, which is the next box. Once you've included the security code, you move to the next section. You'll be asked to drop your email address. Once you've dropped your email address, you keep scrolling down. You read all the information here about the cancellation policy. When you're done with that, you read the important information about the room that you want to book, and also once you're done with once you're done in reading the important information, at the bottom of it you see a box to tick if you've agreed or if you've reviewed the privacy statement, and if you abide with the rules and regulation and the terms of condition. So if it's okay, if you've read it and it's something you can cope with, you click on this box to tick. Once you tick the box, you move to the next option, complete booking. So you click on complete booking. You can't complete your booking if you've not inputted your payment method. So you complete your booking, and your booking has been completed just like that. So I hope you understand this video. So this is simply how to book a hotel in Delta Airlines. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.